Morning family, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. But today I'm going to talk about what are my morning routines, and this is one of them. I got like 3. Alright, so today I'm going to just take the do-rag off. I did this because if I put a do-rag on and then put the cap be coming off at night, so I gotta tie it down. So took the cap. I haven't seen how much, So with this one, you just want to let it sit. You just want to let your hair just get some air in there. Just let it breathe a little bit. That's what it looks like. Let it breathe before you just get straight to it. And I'm gonna just scan my head like I always do. Right there, I need to get brush right there. These because of the do-rag, but yeah, not that bad. These spots right here. See it is right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But it's just, I lost hair somehow. I don't know. I don't know if I gotta come closer. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can set a timer, or you can just start brushing it, If you wait a little bit, and then you can just know when it's ready to brush, I guess. I would say that. Alright. See, I'm not gonna lie, I gotta work on my connections. Like, all these can you see all these lines? I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Like right here, they gotta be like, all connected. These are not connected right now. So I gotta work on my connections. I'm not gonna brush it too long. There's some type of my hairspray I'm looking at. The olive oil. My mom uses it all the time, and yeah, I use it sometimes to make it more shinier. I could just do this, spray it on the brush. Just brush my hair, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, it's one of my morning routines right here, and yeah, just create yourself a morning routine and go on from there. Just stick to it. And I got multiple ones, so I don't get bored every day. Meaning I don't wash my head every day. You're not supposed to. So what I would do is every 2 or 3 days, I wash my head, make that my morning routine. Or one of these, just a little brushing section. It's one of my morning routines too. So yeah, just create yourself a morning routine, and then you stick to it, and you'll do it. I'm going for. Let's get these whites. I'm brushing, so I can just get the connections. That's important. Connections are key. And I'm trying to wolf for 5 months. So, let me see how that's gonna turn out. I might cut it for my brother's graduation. I might get a little taper. Just get this line up and get like a little lining. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm not gonna touch the top. So yeah, this Solo Joe, it's a little quick, brushing section. Subscribe, like, share the video, comment, follow me on Instagram, Solo Joe. Not with the E, but with a 3. Whatever. I'll put it up. Comment any suggestions or any kind of questions y'all got. Just let me know. Solo Joe, I'm out. Deuce.